To show or hide a camera cutout in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to select the display. When you enter it, scroll down and look for the camera cutout, and that way you will see most of your apps on your phone. So choose whichever apps you want to hide or show the camera cutout for. In this case, we're gonna focus on Chrome. So if we select that, we can put it on auto, and based on the content that you can see in your Google Chrome, it will try to adjust the camera cutout. The other way is hide camera cutout. That way, if we open our Chrome, we should be able to see the black bar on top of the screen hiding our camera cutout. The other way is, and the last way is to show camera cutout, and that way, if we open our Chrome, we'll be able to see our camera cutout and the black bar is gone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.